Hi, today in front of me OPPO A16S and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode, click once on the switcher. To turn it off, you should click on the switcher once again. If you as we can see that when the silent mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. So also we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. Here you will see the silent mode switcher. Just to activate it or turn it off, you should click on the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.